Ikunaga, when you're so much Ina Sunika Aturu, when you're on the dating Ari. Ina Equego, here yes, oh, where it's in the garden. Oh, forgive me, Tina, my one on the day. Okay, my one at your way. Ima mother gets your woman on. Yes, and yes. Oh, but you go to the Tina, my woman. Oh, where get in the garden. Oh, where go now? I'm not forgive me. It was in the Kedemo. Like I would be. Life changer, Jehovah, you are the covenant keeping God. I said destiny changer. I said mountain mover, Messiah. You are the covenant keeping God. I said life giver. You are the life changer. Oh Jehovah, you are the covenant keeping God. I said destiny, mountain mover, Jehovah, the covenant keeping God. There is nothing you cannot do. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. I said there is no sickness. There is no sickness. My God cannot change. I call him Yahweh. Yes, you are Yahweh. There is no eternal disease that this God cannot wipe out. I call him Yahweh. You are Yahweh. I said there is no situation. There is nothing. There is no way for God to go. He is Yahweh. You are. Nobody can bear the name you bear. Nobody can enter the place you enter. Nobody can wear the crown you wear. You are amazing. I said nobody can go where you go. Nobody can enter where you enter. Nobody can do the things you do. You are amazing. You created the language for the dead. Yet to speak and they hear. You are amazing. You created the language for the dead. Here to speak and they hear. You are amazing. It doesn't matter what you are passing through. It doesn't matter what your situation is. The word of God says, ask and it shall be given. Knock and it will open the door. It doesn't matter what the world has said about you. Jesus is ready to wipe away your tears. He's ready to deliver you. Nobody can bear the name you bear. Nobody can enter the place you enter. Nobody can wear the crown you wear. You are amazing. I said nobody can enter where you enter. Nobody can do